Imagine waking up to the sound of air raid sirens, missiles flying across the sky, drones attacking ships in one of the most important oil routes in the world. This is not a scene from a movie. This is the reality of the growing conflict between Iran and the United States. In this video, we will explore what is happening in this war, the missiles and drones being used, and the psychological strategies behind modern warfare. The tensions between the United States and Iran have been building for years, but the situation escalated dramatically in 2026 after major military strikes targeted Iranian facilities. These attacks hit strategic military locations and caused significant damage. Iran quickly responded with missile and drone attacks aimed at US bases and allied locations across the Middle East. The region suddenly became extremely tense as air defense systems activated across several countries. Iran launched waves of ballistic missiles and drones toward locations where American forces are present. Many of these missiles were intercepted by air defense systems, but the attacks demonstrated Iran's ability to reach targets across long distances. Some missiles were launched toward areas near Qatar, Saudi Arabia, the United Arab Emirates, and Bahrain. At the same time, tensions increased around the Strait of Hormuz, one of the most important waterways for global oil trade. Even the possibility of disruption in this region can affect the global economy. Iran has built one of the largest missile arsenals in the Middle East. Missiles such as the Shahab-3 are capable of traveling more than 1,000 kilometers, allowing Iran to strike targets far beyond its borders. Another important missile family is the Fateh series, which is designed to be more precise and used for tactical strikes. Iran has also developed solid fuel missiles like the Sajil, which can be launched faster and are harder to detect before launch. However, one of Iran's most powerful modern tools is its drone program. Iran produces several types of military drones that are relatively cheap but highly effective. One well-known example is the Shahed 136, often called a kamikaze drone. Instead of returning after a mission, this drone flies directly into the target and explodes on impact. Because these drones are inexpensive, they can be launched in large numbers, making it difficult for air defense systems to intercept all of them. Other Iranian drones include reconnaissance drones and strike drones capable of carrying guided weapons. These drones allow Iran to monitor enemy movement, gather intelligence, and conduct targeted attacks. In recent years, drone warfare has become one of the most important parts of modern military strategy. The United States, on the other hand, relies heavily on advanced technology and global military reach. American forces operate powerful aircraft carriers, stealth fighter jets, and advanced missile defense systems. One key defensive system is the Patriot missile defense system, which is designed to intercept incoming ballistic missiles before they hit their targets. The United States also uses advanced drones such as the MQ-9 Reaper. These drones can stay in the air for long periods, conducting surveillance and precision strikes. Combined with satellite intelligence and advanced radar systems, this gives the US a significant technological advantage in detecting and targeting enemy forces. Despite these technological advantages, conflicts like this are not decided by weapons alone. Psychology plays a major role in modern warfare. Military strategists understand that fear, uncertainty, and perception can influence the outcome of a conflict. When missiles or drones are launched toward cities or military bases, the physical damage is only part of the impact. The psychological effect can be just as powerful. The sound of sirens, the uncertainty of attacks, and constant news coverage can create anxiety and fear among civilians. This psychological pressure can weaken morale and create political pressure on governments. Another important psychological concept in warfare is deterrence. Deterrence means convincing your enemy that attacking you will lead to serious consequences. Iran uses its missile arsenal to show that even though it may not match the United States in traditional military strength, it still has the ability to cause damage across the region. At the same time, the United States tries to demonstrate overwhelming military capability. By deploying advanced aircraft, naval forces, and missile defense systems, the US sends a message that it can respond with powerful force if necessary. Both sides are trying to influence how the other side thinks and reacts. Modern wars are also fought in the information space. Governments release statements, videos of missile launches, and images of military operations. These messages are designed not only for the enemy, but also for the global audience. Public perception can shape international support, alliances, and diplomatic pressure. The conflict between Iran and the United States shows how warfare has evolved in the 21st century. Instead of massive ground invasions, many battles are fought using missiles, drones, cyber operations, and psychological strategies. Technology allows attacks to occur across thousands of kilometers, while information spreads instantly through global media. As the situation continues to develop, the world is watching carefully. The stakes are extremely high because the Middle East plays a critical role in global energy supply and international security. Any major escalation could affect economies, politics, and stability across many regions of the world. In the end, the most powerful weapons in modern warfare may not always be missiles or drones. Sometimes the most powerful weapon is the ability to influence fear, perception, and morale. Understanding this psychological dimension helps explain why conflicts like this are not only fought on battlefields but also in the minds of people around the world.